A tiny puppy struggles to stay above the water. 3 men passing over a bridge notice the situation. 2 of them hold on tightly as they lower the 3rd man down with the help of a wooden support, risking their own safety to save a fragile life. But suddenly, his grip slips, and he is carried by the current toward the other side. He quickly moves along the riverbank, reaches the struggling puppy, and gently lifts him out, drying his tiny body and feeding him with